Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Once again, a warm good morning to all. Let us start the class. First of all, your ma'am is going to share the question paper, the revision test link to you. Are you ready for the test? Have you studied that spellings? Huh? Okay. Now, can you please mute your device or else I should mute? What should I do? Okay, here ma'am is going to share the question paper revision test link to you. Okay, please wait. Mute your device and wait. Let me take the question paper. Now you can open the chat box, children. Open the chat box. Once again, I'll send the question paper link to you. Open the chat box. Okay. Write your name and select the class and division. Okay, we are moving to the first question. Food is cooked in the dash. Where do we cook food? Kitchen, bedroom, drawing room. Click the correct answer. Where do we cook food? Kitchen.
Internet problem.
That's okay, no problem. You can come and ask personally through the WhatsApp. I'll send it to you. This paper link, I'll send it to you personally. Those who could not attend the exam now, don't worry.
Please send the link.
Wait, let me read the question. Please mute your device. Those who have joined late, please wait for me. Food is cooked in the dash. Number 2, we have a dash. We have a bath in the dash. Dining room, bathroom. Name the room shown in the picture. Name the room shown in the picture. Bedroom, dining room. We sleep in the dash. Dining room, bedroom. Number 5. The room used for eating food is dining room, drawing room. Name the room shown in the picture. Kitchen, bedroom, dining room. Those who have joined the class now, please open the chat box. The revision test paper link is there. The revision test paper link is there. You can take the question paper and do the exam. And if you are facing any network problem, don't worry. Please come in WhatsApp personally. I will be sending the link to you. Okay. Once again, I'm going to share this link. How is it? How is it easy?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Easy question paper, no? And if your parents are not there, no worries. You can come and ask me in WhatsApp. I'm ready to send the link personally to you. Don't worry.
I have 6 after 6.
Okay.
Siddharnet Balam.
No problem. You can come in WhatsApp, okay? Don't try to do it now.
My mom and papa though, please.
No problem, Siddharth. Tell your mummy and ask the link by evening. I'll send the link, okay? Hello. No need to announce your mark in the class. No need to announce your marks in the class. Those who have completed, please take out the rough book and ready for the revision. Today we will revise the lesson Wings and Tails. Okay? John Judy, have you completed the exam? Yes? Your mummy is there with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody's parents are with you?
Yes, ma'am.
That's okay.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, ma'am.
Daniel? I hope everybody completed the exam. Let us move to revision.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us be back to the class. Come on, my dear children. So today we are going to revise the lesson Wings and Tails. So again, ma'am is telling, if you are facing any severe network issue, don't try to do the exam now. You can come in WhatsApp and ask the link personally. I am ready to send the link to you. So here we are moving. Don't try to do it now. Now listen, my children. Listen. So wings and tails. Everybody please stand up. Stand up. Hands up. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay. Give me a cute smile. Okay, let's move to the topic. So, here is the lesson. 1 minute. Okay, let's start. So, in this lesson, we have studied about some animals. We have studied about the animals. Do you remember the lesson about animals? Some animals, they live in the farms and fields. Some domestic animals, farm animals. Okay, some domestic animals, they live with us inside our house, are called animals. And some domestic animals, they live in the farm and field. Farm animals. Okay, can you see the examples of some pet animals? Cat, dog, rabbit, birds, and fish. We can keep it as okay. And can you say the examples of some farm animals? We keep it in the farm. Cow, buffalo, horse, donkey. There are many farms.
Donkey.
Okay, next. Okay. Some domestic animals, they live with us inside our house, are called
Pet animals.
pet animals. So keep your palm on your chest and say pet animals.
Pet animals.
For example, cat, dog, rabbit, and some pet birds, fish. Okay, some domestic animals, they live, we keep them in the fields or farms, are called farm animals. And there are some animals, they live in the jungle or forest. Wild animals. Can you say the examples of some wild animals? Tiger, duck, giraffe, bear, and some wild animals. Wild animals. Show me the action. Wild animals. Okay, some animals are very big. Can you say the example of one big animal?
Elephant.
Very good. Some animals are very small. Dog, cat, rabbit. Okay. Some animals, tails of animals also different in shape and size. You know, children, some animals have long tail, but some animals have short tail. Can you say the example of long tail animal? Animal with a long tail. Tiger. A short tail. Cat. Okay. And some animals, they do not have tail. They do not have tail. Example, cockroach, spider, frog, octopus. What are the animals they do not have tail? Cockroach, spider, octopus, frog. Okay, these animals, they do not have tail. Some animals, okay, now we can discuss about how do animals move from one place to another. Some animals, they move with their legs. Can you say the example of some animals, they walk with their legs? Huh? There are many animals, they move with their legs. Elephant, tiger, lion, hippopotamus, then cheetah, then buffalo, cow. There are many animals, they walk with their legs. But you know, some animals have wings, are called birds. Animals with wings are called birds. Can you say the name of one bird? Cowbird, peacock, dove. Okay, okay. Sparrow. There. Okay, we come to the next point. Okay, some animals, they live in water. What are the animals they live in water? Dolphin, fish, whale, dolphin. There are shark. Okay, good. Some animals, they live on land and in water. They can live on frog and crocodile. Frogs and crocodiles can live both land and water. Okay. Now, some animals are very active during the day. During night, these animals, they sleep or rest. Can you say the example of some animals active during the daytime? Day animals. Okay. Now, come to the next point. Some animals are not at all active during the day, but they are very active during night. Night animals. What are the night animals? Owl, mouse, bat. Bat. Okay, now look at the board. Here, ma'am is going to share some pictures to you. Do you want to see the pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, let's watch some pictures. 1 minute, let me take this. Somebody's audio is not muted. Daniel, please mute your device. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Kirti, mute your device. Okay. I hope. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see a dog, cat, rabbit, and some pet birds. These are, tell me, these are pet animals or farm animals? Say, oh, these are pet animals. Now look at the board. Goat, horse. You can see a goat and a horse. Is this animals are pet animals or farm animals? Tell me. Farm animals. We keep them in the farm and these are called farm animals. They help us in our work. We keep them in the field or farm. So these animals are farm animals. Now look at the board. Now you can see these animals. Lion, bear, hyena. Wild animals or domestic animals? Wild animals. Show me the action and say wild animals. Wild animals. Okay, tell me, we can see these wild animals in the jungle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can see the wild animals in the jungle or forest. Now you can see, oh, big animals and the small animals. Can you find out, look at the picture and say big animal, big elephant and a tiger. This is also big animal. Then what about small animal? Cat. Cat. Is it? Small animal. It's a cute and small animal. Now look at the board. You can see some animals, they do not have tail. Oh, these animals, they do not have tail. What are the animals they do not have tail? Frog and spider. Frog. What are the animals they do not have tail, children? Spider, frog, cockroach, octopus. Octopus are the animals. They do not have tail. Yes. Now look at the bird. Oh, these animals, they do not have tail. They do not have legs or wings. They do not have legs. They do not have wings. What are the animals? Worm, worm, fish. Worm, fish. These animals do not have legs or wings. Example, worm, fish. Now look at the board. Oh, what is this? It's a crocodile. It's a crocodile. It's so scary. Is it so scary? A bit scary. Don't be scared. Okay, it's only a picture. Okay. Tell me, crocodile is a land animal or a water animal, or crocodile can live land and water? Tell me. Crocodile. Okay, crocodile can live land and water. Crocodile is an animal that can live both land and water. Wow, the next animals. These animals are very active during the day. Tell me, day animals. Day animals. These are day animals. These are day animals. These are day animals. Elephants, monkeys, and if we listen, what about these animals?
Night animal.
Night animals. Night animals. These are night animals. Have you all understood, children?
Yes,
Now take out the rough book. We can write and study some verbs. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Only 3 times. Only each word write and study only 3 times. Ready?
I am right 10 times.
No need to write 10 times. You have to write only 3 times. Let us study.
10 times I am right.
Okay. Come. Let us start. Open the rough book. Take a fresh page.
Take, ma'am.
Take a fresh page.
Take, ma'am. Take it.
1 minute, 1 minute. Let me take the pen.
What? Why?
Number 1. Everybody write and study.
Yes, ma'am. Only 3 times?
Only 3 times. Only 3 times. You need to write and study only 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
Now, B, U, F, F, A, L, O. Buffalo. Write only 3 times. Number 2. Hyena. Y-E-N-A. Hyena. Y-E-N-A. Hyena.
Oh, buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L. Oh, buffalo.
Hyena. Number 3.
F. Oh.
Pet animals. Pet animals. Number 4. Farm animals. F-A-R-M. Farm. Farm animals. Farm animals. Number 5. Wild animals. Wild. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. A-N-N. E sound I. M. M. A-A-L-S. Animals. Wild animals. Wild animals. Buffalo. Hyena. Pet animals. Farm animals. Wild animals. Write and study only 3 times. No need to write more than 3 times. Malavika, mute your device, baby. I can hear a disturbance from your device.
P-E-T-A-N-I
Pet animals, farm animals, wild animals.
Pet animals. P-E-T-A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Pet animals. F-O-R-M F-O-R-M
Farm. Farm. Say and write all of you. Farm. Animals. A-I-M-A-L-S. Farm. And
N-I-M-A-L-S. Farm animals.
farm animals.
Farm animals. Farm animals. Pet animals. Pet. F-A-R-M-A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Farm animals. Pet animals. W-R-I-D Wild
Number 6.
N
Tail. Tail.
I N
Number 7.
S.
Wings. W-I-N-G-S. Animals with wings we can say birds. Animals with wings we can say, can call them birds.
L-D wild A-N-I
Number 8.
L
Land. Land. Some animals live on land, only land. But some animals they live on land and water.
A
Number 9. Water. 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 Buffalo, hyena, pet animals, farm animals, wild animals, animals. There are some animals that have tail, but there are some other animals they do not have tail. 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 Then wings. Animals with the wings we can call birds. The next land. Some animals live on land while some other animals they live in water only.
A
Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water.
A-L-S animals, farm animals. W-I-N-G-S.
Say and write all of you. I can see everybody. Please write. I can see you are writing.
M-A-L-S animals. W-I F-A-M
Sandria, say and write.
L-A-L-A-N-D land. Land.
Land. Land. Land.
N N I
Are they complete?
UATER.
Megadarsh, Abhinav. Are they? Show me your book.
animals.
Okay, okay. Write and study all those words 3 times. Austin Antonio, Tirtha, Agne.
Ma'am, Mohammed Rishan finish.
Okay, good boy.
W
Write and study 3 times. Only 3 times. Okay, Ritvik. Good boy, good boy. Maithili, show me your book.
wild animals.
Show me your book, baby. Okay, okay, okay. Good boy, good boy. Okay, thank you. Hein, show me your book, Anna, Catherine, Junaita, Sri Lakshmi, Prarthana. Prarthana, show me your book, baby. Okay, Sri Lakshmi. Good, good, good. Okay, okay. Continue. Anna, Catherine, Srudakirti, show me your book. Aisha, Marin, Adam Joe.
Animals. Wild animals. W
Okay, okay. Very good, very good. Write and study these words. Okay, let us wind up the session.
No,
Next.
already not completed.
No problem, no problem. I'll send the words through the WhatsApp, okay? And you can complete. Okay, children? So that's all for today. Our time is over. Let us wind up the class. Bye bye. And study well this lesson. Okay, next day I'll take a small revision test. This wings and tails. Okay, write and study these words. Bye bye. Love you all. Take care. Bye. Bye bye. Bye.